Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone Personal Hotspot is not working in simple steps. So try these simple fixes one by one. Step 1. Turn Personal Hotspot off and on go to settings on your phone. Tap on the Personal Hotspot. Turn Allow others to join off. Wait 10 seconds and then turn it on again. This refreshes the hotspot connection. Step 2. Enable mobile data. Make sure mobile data is working. Go to Settings, and then go to the Cellular Turn Cellular Data On. After that, restart your mobile data. Hotspot will not work without active data. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. Simple but very effective. Power off your iPhone. Wait 30 seconds. Turn it back on. This fixes many temporary network glitches in Apple devices. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.